UAE is welcoming the world for 6 months to celebrate culture, collaboration, and innovation. Due to the pandemic, the event postponed to 2021, but the name remains Expo 2020. With its opening later this year, fast approaching Expo 2020 Dubai is inviting visitors to be among the first to explore Terra, the Sustainability Pavilion, and its surrounding public spaces, offering a glimpse of what's to come when the next World Expo begins on 1st of October 2021. Under the theme of Connecting Minds, Creating the Future, Dubai 2020 is a celebration of human achievement, taking place for the first time in the Middle East, Africa, and South Asia. Asif Khan, the research and development British architecture studio that creates buildings, landscapes, exhibitions, and installations, is the designer behind the Expo 2020 Dubai entry portals. Being the first thing visitors of the site will judge, the intervention will actually determine the first impression people will develop of the World Expo. Granting entry starting October 20, the 3 gateways are the first works to be unveiled from the studio's design of more than 6 kilometers of Expo 2020 public way. With a concept based on a futuristic exploration of the traditional Mashrabia element, a key feature used across the region to control light and airflow, the portals generate a welcoming and easy access. Woven entirely from the strands of ultra-lightweight carbon fiber composite, each entrance stands tall and strong at 21 meters high and 30 meters long. At the end of the Expo entry portals, 2 10.5-meter wide doors open onto a tree-filled courtyard. The doors can be held in different positions. When foot traffic is lower, they can be opened or just a little, or be flung wide open for events such as the opening ceremony or New Year's Eve celebrations. Mashrabia is a traditional architectural element in Islamic design, encompassing lattice screens often showcasing intricate and complex geometric patterns that shade exterior windows and balconies. Asif Khan, who founded his eponymous practice in 2007, took a typical Mashrabia and folded it to create a long gateway. public are invited to be part of the pavilion's premier event and get a preview of what the rest of the world will come to see later in this year. First to open up is Terra, the Sustainability Pavilion. Sustainability is one of Expo 2020's three sub-themes, the other two being opportunity and mobility, aiming to raise awareness of the impact we have on the environment. Designed by the British firm Grimshaw Architects, the pavilion invites visitors to explore humankind's relationship with nature, our obsession with excessive consumerism, and how we can change our everyday choices to reduce our carbon footprint and environmental impact. Terra sets an international example for sustainable building design and is built to be net zero for both energy and water. Designed by New York and Dubai offices of architecture studio Grimshaw, its impressive features include 1,055 photovoltaic panels arranged on a 130-meter wide roof canopy and a mini forest of energy trees that supply the pavilion with 4 gigawatt-hour of alternative energy per year, enough electricity to charge more than 900,000 mobile phones. Covering 6,300 square meters, it helps to set an environmental example and is entirely operated from recycled water and solar energy. Also featured are innovative irrigation techniques, including a grey water recycling system that aims to reduce water use in the landscape by 75%. Surrounding the pavilion are a series of solar trees which will track the sun and provide additional electricity. From complex natural processes like photosynthesis, the dynamic form of the pavilion is in service to its function, capturing energy from the sunlight and fresh water from humid air. Sited in a prominent location, the pavilion structure works in tandem with the considered landscape of demonstration gardens, winding pathways, and shaded enclaves to create an aura of magic punctuated by the sights, smells, and tactile opportunities of nature. The gardens surrounding the pavilion design are an integral part of the visitor experience, both experiential and functional, setting the stage for the exhibition contents within and creating gathering areas that will manage and distribute crowds while providing retail, food, and beverage opportunities. Terra will offer an immersive journey through the wonders of the natural world, including an interactive walk through the roots of a forest where every footstep affects the food wide web. explore the hidden harmful impacts of our choices. The emotive experience is designed to encourage all ages to consider how their behavior affects the environment, empowering them to become agents of change. The pavilion's landscaping and walkways, which closely refer to woody riverbeds meander around the performance spaces, while plants from the region are a key feature of the overall concept. Following the Expo 2020, the Sustainability Pavilion will reopen as a science museum. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos and do comment your suggestions down below.